Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as 80% of you are not subscribed. And if you'd like to know when I really upload and go live, click the bell notification. All right, all that stuff out of the way. Let's get into today, which is a BBQ Ranch Quarter Pounder. First thing we got to do is make our barbecue ranch sauce, which involves 1 cup of Greek yogurt and a 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. And then we want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we want to add our spice mix, which entails 1 tablespoon dried parsley, a 1/2 teaspoon of dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then, of course, some freshly ground black pepper. Grab a little tiny whisk and whisk until everything is combined. Then put the cover on and place in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And now it's time to add our 1/4 pound patties, which I'm seasoning up with a spice blend that I picked up at my local grocery store. You can use whatever spice blend you like, or just salt and pepper for if you want to go simple and old school. As these are pretty thin burgers, they'll take about 2 to 3 minutes aside. And all right, let's jump ahead in time. All right, I actually told a lie. These are in fact third pound patties. That's why I'm putting 2 slices of American cheese on each one. Anyway, everything else is still the same, except make your patties into third pound balls or 5.3 ounces. 2 slices of American cheese, and then just give it a chance to melt up. All right, we have our nicely toasted bun. We have our patty. Some nice dill pickles. Because again, if a burger doesn't have pickles, it's probably going to be garbage. And put some of our barbecue ranch sauce upon the top bun. And finally, some white onion slices. And then we want some bacon, because everything is better with bacon. Much like all burgers are made better with pickles. And then put the top bun on top. And that's it. A barbecue ranch third pounder. Done.